I thought I should try to switch up my lashes since I'm like obsessed with the Eylure Marquise. So I bought another one of that same collection. This is the Eylure Luxe Faux Mink Gilded Lashes. This is what it looks like. They do have several from this collection. I think is like the more luxe that they have, so I really like the quality. I'll leave a playlist of all the eyelashes that I have reviewed, so if you haven't seen, I have videos trying out the Marquise lashes, and I also wear them in a lot of my makeup tutorials. These seem pretty nice. Let's see if they can top the Marquise. These retail for $11.99. Sometimes they sell them like this too, like in a pack of 3. I don't know if they have them like this too. I'll leave it listed in the description. The Eylure Luxe Faux Mink Gilded lashes are a glossy and super soft style that creates a generous, structured lash look. I like my lashes to be nice and full, so curled. I'll also be reviewing in another video. These from Kiss are crafted from a mink effect fiber, handmade and reusable for up to 10 wears. I definitely get about 10 wears out of these. You just have to like really take care of them. I usually like remove the glue every time that I take them off. Every lash pack also comes with latex-free lash glue. I don't really use this glue. The glue is latex-free. The glue I like to use from Kiss, they have it in black and clear. And guys, I'm telling you, these are so soft. Like, they're really good quality lashes. These look nice and curled. I do like to bend them like this before I apply them. It just gives it a much nicer shape. If not, it's just like super flat like this. So just go like this. Here you go. Of course, you want to measure them to see if you have to cut. Okay, I guess I'll leave it like that for now, but I can definitely cut a little bit, and if you do cut, you want to cut it from the end, never from the inside. I'm just gonna turn like different angles so you see exactly what they look like. Alright, so right away, I'll tell you these are not going to replace my Marquise ones, but it's a nice style. I must have applied them differently because this one feels much more comfortable than this one. I think this one is just like way too in the inner corner. Plus, I will trim them a little for next time, but they are nice and voluminous. They are a nice length. Again, they feel super soft. I would say like the band is a little thick. Like if you like a band that's very thin or an invisible one, then this one wouldn't be for you. But besides that, these are really nice lashes, and I'll definitely be using them in some makeup tutorials just to switch it up. What do you think of these? Would you purchase them? I used this collection before, and if you take care of them, these will last you a long time, so you'll definitely get your money's worth. Just in case, I'll just tell you the lashes are made in China, the adhesive is made in Korea. If you were to use the little lash glue, this is what it looks like. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll leave the playlist down below. Bye!